All right, I got my first coon on my first day of my first trap line. On the first trap. I did walk the rest of my traps. I didn't get anything else. I got 8 out so far. But man, this is exciting. I just grabbed it out of the water. It's not very big as comparison to my boot, but it's my first. So we'll see. Let's see how it goes. From the day on, yesterday was opening day, so I set all my traps and went after it. Or I set 8 of my traps. I got like 55 of them. But what I did here was, you can kind of see my stake. You see my 1.5. I actually had a cubby set right there, and it's all collapsed in from her, or whatever it is. I didn't look, but trying to scrape out of this mud hole, and there's some blood. But so what I'm gonna do is, this was underwater just slightly, this little mud spot yesterday, and the water receded a little bit, but I'm gonna try to reset this cubby, get that blood out of here, reset this cubby, and maybe dig a little trench to get the water in there a little bit, so my Duke 1.5 will sit just lower with the water. I watched a lot of videos and read some books and tried that. And then I have my own homemade fish bait right here, which is nothing special. I literally ground a ton of fish. I have a 3-gallon bucket of fish, and let it sit in the freezer for a couple months, and then I pulled it out and put some preservatives in there, and I grabbed a big chunk out of a stick, and I threw that sucker in there right inside my cubby, and apparently it worked. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing reset, and then I'll start my video back up so you guys can see how I reset it. Hopefully I get another one out of here, something bigger, maybe a boar coon or something, but it's a start. I can learn how to, I don't think they're prime yet. It's just November 11th in Illinois, northern Illinois. It was 18 degrees last night, or yesterday morning when I set all these. It's 30 today, so. But it'd be a good one to learn how to skin on. I'm gonna go out to Volker's trapping supply later, and he told me that he said bring whatever you got and I'll show you how to skin it properly. So I'm excited about that. So all right, let me get this reset and I'll start the video back up.